Alright, so the first place I'm going to do today is about 5 minutes from my place. It's just down the lake. So should be there in about 5 minutes and we can get her going. And guys, if you haven't done so already, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. Try to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark by the end of the season. Alrighty, we'll see you there. Hey guys, Scott here from Red Rock Maintenance. So I'm just at a customer's house. He had called me and asked me if I could clean up some trees that he had cut down. So looks like it right here. So he just wants me to haul it up to the top there. And I'm not sure what else he wanted. I think that was it. Oh, trees down here. That's when he cut down right here. So he wants the stump cut down as low as possible. So I can do that. We do cut this lawn, and this lawn is pretty sketchy to cut sometimes down here because the water here keeps on opening up more and more. That's a lot. That's opened up a lot this year. So guys, I'm gonna get this going, and we'll see what happens. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. All right, to cut down these trees or the stump, I've got two chainsaws. They're not mine; they're my brother's. I don't really chainsaw that often, so I don't really like chainsawing, but I can do it. Took a course way back in the day. So we've got two, got a big one and a small one. I'll show you them because I don't even know what numbers they are. So this is a small one here. The Stihl FS91C, and this big boy here is the Stihl FS91. So I haven't used a big one like that in a long time, but I think we're gonna need to use this one to get those that stump down. As well, guys, when you're chainsawing, I see a lot of guys not wearing safety gear. Gotta wear your safety gear, man. My dad, he used to do this at the trailer park, and he actually cut through his leg a couple times. So after that, my mom made him get safety gear. So we've got the helmet and we've got the chaps. So these pants here, and I've got my steel-toed shoes on today just to be safe. So I'm gonna put this stuff on and then we'll go down the lake and get this going. All right, guys, so you see, got it right down as close to the ground as possible like you wanted. It's looking pretty good there. The seats are super light, it's nice. So it'll be easy to carry back up to the road. So guys, what we do is just take all this stuff back up now and get rid of it for him. All right, so I reread the email. So he wants this stuff either taken away or hauled to the top. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna haul this stuff to the top of the road. Sorry. Then I'm gonna take all these big logs and I'll just take these home because my brother can use them for firewood at the trailer park. So I'm gonna start hauling this stuff up and then this job will be done. All right, so that job is pretty much done. There's just a couple of straight branches I'm gonna pick up, take up, but that's pretty much it done. So that looks like now. Now I am gonna try and sell him on doing his deck cleaning. See this deck, how green and moldy, mossy it is. When this gets wet, it's super slippery. So I'm gonna try and sell him on this as well. It's just another job that I can pick up. Pretty easy job. Probably see him do all down there too in the dock. You know, deck up there, so that needs to be all clean, but we'll see if he goes for it or not. It'd be a nice little job if we could get it from him. All right guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one.